Hey guys, I just was going through this here and I thought I would show you guys something that I do that might help you with your email sequences. So this was selling an Etsy product and yeah, so basically we have tag start Etsy is added. So I always start these sequences with a tag and then I check and see if that person has that tag or if they've already purchased the product. So does the contact match the following conditions? Contact has tag, purchased easy Etsy. And if they do, then I send them somewhere else. If they don't, then I come down here, I send their email, and then I wait for a day, then I send their other email, and then I wait for a day, and then I send an email, and then I say, have they clicked on the promotion? Yes or no. If they did, then I send them another offer. If they don't, then I send them another offer. So I'm basically just tailoring the way that these pitches are made based off of whether or not they've clicked on this promotion. So that's another way to kind of talk to people differently through your emails. So then they come here, they see the offer, and then I add a tag at the end. And this is what a lot of people forget to do. I add a tag of finished Etsy sequence. Now I can use the tag finished Etsy sequence to start the next sequence that I'm going to put them in. Or I can now come in here and I can basically say, add a new trigger. Does the contact, do they have the tag finished Etsy sequence? If they do, then I want to send them somewhere else. If they don't, then I want to send them through the sequence. So always try, at least this is what I do. I don't know if it's up to you how you schedule your stuff. I'm just kind of showing you the benefit of having a tag at the beginning and a tag at the end. So I hope that helps. This is ActiveCampaign. I strongly recommend that you do ActiveCampaign. They can grow with your business and you can do all kinds of really cool stuff inside of them. So I hope that helps and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye now.